Now we're going to do a real problem on what is the limiting region when 80 grams of copper reacts with 25 grams of sulfur. So first I like to write down what is known and what is unknown, just to clear up anything that you might not think. So what we know is the mass of copper, which is 80 grams, if that's given. And then the mass of sulfur is 25 grams, that's also given. And then we know that 1 mole of sulfur equals 2 moles of copper. So the unknown, we don't know the limiting region. That's what we're looking for. So first you have to set up the problem using dimensional analysis. What you're looking for is moles of copper. And we have 80 grams of copper times 1 mole of copper over 63.5 grams of copper. Then these cancel, and you end up with 1.26 moles of copper. The next thing you have to do is convert mass to moles for the sulfur. So you have 25 grams of sulfur times 1 mole of sulfur over 32.1 grams of sulfur. This is the molar mass. And you get 0.779 moles of sulfur. The next step is to convert moles of copper to moles of sulfur. So we have 1.26 moles of copper, that's from up here, times 1 mole of sulfur over 2 moles of copper. And we end up with 0.630 moles of sulfur. And this is the needed amount, the least amount we can have. So you end up with 0.630 moles of sulfur. That's the least amount needed. This is less than 0.779 moles of sulfur, which is the actual amount you have. So you have more than what is required. So that makes copper the limiting region. Sulfur would be the excess region. And that's how you find that problem.